Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the different charts that are available in Quickbase. I know that charts can be a great way to visualize your data, and I'm excited to share some of the different options that Quickbase has to offer. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. What is your favorite type of chart? Do you like bar charts, pie charts, line charts, or something else? I'm curious to hear your thoughts, so please leave a comment below and let me know. Now, let's get into the meat of this video. There are a number of different charts that are available in Quickbase, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Here are some of the most popular charts. Bar charts. Bar charts are a great way to compare different categories of data. They can be used to show things like sales numbers, customer demographics, and inventory levels. Pie charts. Pie charts are a good way to show how a whole is divided into parts. They can be used to show things like market share, budget allocation, and demographic breakdowns. Line charts. Line charts are a great way to show trends over time. They can be used to track things like sales, website traffic, and stock prices. Scatter plots. Scatter plots are a good way to show the relationship between two variables. They can be used to identify trends, outliers, and correlations. Other charts. In addition to the 4 charts mentioned above, Quickbase also offers a number of other chart types, such as area charts, bubble charts, candlestick charts, gauge charts, heat maps. How to choose the right chart. The best chart to use will depend on the type of data you want to visualize and the goals you have in mind. Here are a few tips for choosing the right chart. Consider your audience. What is the purpose of the chart? Who will be looking at it? Think about the type of data you have. What kind of data are you trying to visualize? Choose a chart that is appropriate for your data. Some charts are better suited for certain types of data than others. Keep your chart simple and easy to understand. Don't try to cram too much information into a single chart. Example: let's say you want to visualize the sales numbers for different products over the course of a year. In this case, a bar chart would be a good choice. You could put the product names on the x-axis and the sales numbers on the y-axis. This would make it easy to compare the sales numbers for different products and to see how they have changed over time. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the different charts that are available in Quickbase. I encourage you to experiment with different charts and see what works best for you. If you have any questions about Quickbase charts, please leave a comment below. I would also love to hear about any other charts that you find helpful. Thanks for watching.